Okay, so what it do, boys and girls? Welcome to an unboxing. So if you've been tuning into my channel, I do have a series of me trying to look for Jordan sneakers or retro vintage sneakers or sneakers in general that I tend to like in my size for my collection in Japanese auction sites. And to be honest with you, this haul is probably one of the best hauls that I've bought so far. I've been looking into Japanese auction sites looking for the best deals on Jordans because, to be honest, Jordans my size typically go cheaper in the Japanese auction site. So it cost me less than $100 for every sneaker here. And I am super happy with these sneakers right here. Yes, it's all sneakers. Wow. Okay, so you know what? Let's start with the smaller box. Let's start with this. This was DHL. I will be having a video comparing the two, this one and the huge box that I has showed a while ago. I'll be comparing the difference of the shipping method here. This actually just took an overnight trip from Japan to the Philippines because I received it 2 days after I had ordered it. I am actually excited for this. It's been in the warehouse for I think 20 days already before I paid because I didn't have money yet for the shipping. Oh, and it's bubble wrapped inside. Okay. Ooh, okay, I'm excited for this. Okay, I hope you did not see my details there. As you can see there, a vintage Nike box from the 90s. And look at how thin that is. Let's open this up together. This is an underrated pair, by the way. Bam! I know a lot of people don't like this, but this is a 1996 Jordan 11 IE. Hi guys, so while I was editing this video, I just realized that I called this multiple times in the video the Jordan 11 IE, which is not the case. I was just super excited. I am part of a younger generation and I just lately realized that these are just called the Jordan 11 lows. It's not the lows that we are accustomed now with the patent leather. This was the original Jordan 11 lows. So yeah, I just wanted to clarify that. My mistake. Yes, I called them IEs multiple times throughout this video. So yeah, let's get back to it. Crazy that I have this. I have the Jordan 11 bread right there. And now I have the Jordan 11 IE from the same year. This was made in China. I was part of the movement that didn't like this sneaker. But once I grew older, I tend to appreciate things more. And this is one of them. This shoe looks amazing. It looks dirty now, but I definitely need to clean this. So yeah, it came with a box and everything for only $33. I think, no, for only $20 something dollars. I got this pair. And yes, I do need a reglue on the... Actually, I don't think I do. I don't know. I have to check. Yeah, I do need a reglue on this, but the glue is still kind of strong. The major factor of me buying this shoe was the box, because where can you see a box like this? This is a nice box. It is those boxes right there. As you can see, the Jordan 12 boxes, the Jordan 11 boxes, but smaller because it's a low-cut sneaker. Okay, now on to the big boy right here. This is a crazy box. I just want to show you. It's going to take up the whole screen right there. Look at how big it is for a box. That's crazy. So let's open it up to show it to you guys. What was that? This is such a big box, to be honest with you. Woo! Okay. The shipping isn't that bad because it does have papers right there, and they actually included a box for the shoe that didn't have a box. So yeah, okay. Let's put this down here first because I do not know how to do this. Let's start with... Okay. They gave me an A6 box. An extra box. Alright. It doesn't matter. Let's open this up. Okay. Forgot to show it to you guys. Let's open that up. This is a replacement box. Bam. Okay, you don't see it from that angle. Let's remove the plastic. Oh my gosh. a 1992 size 8.5 Jordan 7 charcoal or playoffs or Raptors, which I really do not like the name of. Oh my gosh, this looks so much better in person. It is kind of cooked right there, but I don't care. It's charcoal, so it should look like that. It's nice looking like that. Oh my god. Man, I am speechless. I've been dreaming about this shoe. I really love the Jordan 7s. It's super underrated. I do not know why. Let's get the other pair right here. Ooh. Golly. This is definitely not wearable anymore. But I am a restorer. I did restore my Bugs Bunny hair. I'll show you guys that. Did restore this sneaker. This sneaker is fully wearable. I still just don't have the proper laces for this. But now I have two of the 1992 Jordan 7s. This is actually 1991. I did have a comment that it didn't release in 91 yet, but this was made in 1991. So yes, it was released in 92, but I just really want to say it's from 91 because it's rare like that. So yeah. Okay, I'll make a review on this in a future video. So yeah, it's just sad that it doesn't have the OG box, but I only got this for I think somewhere around $20 to $30. It is a worn out shoe, but I do not care. And this is the Korea pair. So this is the actual charcoal, not like the Taiwan pair that actually looked black with the white lining. So I don't care about that. I still like this. I might still buy the charcoal Taiwan pair. So yeah, last but not the least, I'll give you a sneak peek right there. We got a Jordan box again. I am a Jordan collector anyways. This one is an OG box, but not for the sneaker inside. I'll get to that in a bit. I'll open it up. I can't believe it. I'll open it up right now. 3, 2, 1. It has the papers too. Oh my gosh, it does have the papers. I thought it was just the box. Another Jordan 7 for me. And this time, it's y'all's grills. The Jordan 7 Bordeaux. Look at that. Nobody bought this because the sole is crumbled already. But to be honest with you, I am a collector. I do not care. And I bought this specifically for the box as well. But look at that shoe. So this one is made in Taiwan. Wow. Okay, I'll take it back. My favorite Jordan 7 was either the Olympics or the charcoals. But seeing this in person, you see the B-roll right there. That looks amazing. Wow. Okay, let me get the other pair. I can't believe it has the paper. I like shoes, but I am a collector second. And this having the original paper is kind of crazy to me, because I didn't see that. I'll talk about this in a bit. The Jordan 7 Bordeaux. Yes, it is kind of cooked. As you can see that. I might just have a suede. I have to retouch this. I only got this for I think $40. I do not care, to be honest with you. I just really want to collect the sneakers. I don't actually care if it does look good or not, especially if it is the older shoes, because to be honest with you, I can afford this. I cannot afford the best looking, the DS shoes. This one I can afford, and it does add more to the sneaker, especially in this colorway. It does look amazing, pretty cool. Oh my gosh. Now I have 3. I only need the Olympics. The Olympics are actually the ones that I really want to have. Crazy that it's not the one that I have. And then the last on the list for me, I don't like the Cardinals that much, but wow. Okay, I will be actually having a couple of other videos for this. But this is crazy. This is crazy work. Now, for this box, it said on the listing that this is the OG box of the Bordeaux, but it's not. You know what this box is for? It's for the Raptor, which is kind of insane. Size and everything is for the Raptor. I did research for this because I knew it wasn't the Bordeaux colorway. So it definitely was the Raptor. So now I have the complete collection for the best Jordan 7 shoe that I own right now. The box, the papers, all here. So this is crazy luck that I stumbled upon. I only bought this for $33, I think. Around $30. I don't remember the prices anymore because this was actually 2 months or a month ago. So to be honest with you, I don't know the prices anymore. Golly, I'm super stoked right now. You don't know how much I've been waiting for this since I was a kid. Now that I can kind of sort of afford it, even though it's not the best quality, I'd still take it. Now I have 3 of the 1992 Jordan 7s. Just kind of crazy. This was $20. This was less than $30. And this is less than $40. With these 3 Jordan 7 sneakers, it only cost me in and around, probably with shipping, in and around $100 for everything. Plus, don't forget about this, the first Jordan that I opened up in this video, the Jordan 11 IE. And this one was the one with the price tag of the Japanese store that they bought it from way back in the 90s. I just love details like that. If you reach this point, hi, I am Quismorio. What it do, boys and girls? I collect vintage sneakers. I am your average sneakerhead because I do not have bank like that. But I still love collecting sneakers. I live for this. It's not just a hobby like that. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing because you may not see me ever again in your feed. If you love sneakers, sneaker stories, and all that. Speaking of sneaker stories, I actually have a story here of a Jordan 1 that even time forgot. And if you want a performance review, I have an Adidas Believe That One review right here. This sneaker right here. I do have a basketball review on that. So yeah, peace. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Click that like button.